Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I have two sets available. I have a beautiful, these are great for like your beginner crystal uh, kit set. A beautiful double terminated quartz point, a really nice rose quartz palm stone. Comes with a clear quartz tower. Really nice clear quartz tower, not too big, not too small. And a fabulous smoky quartz tower that looks like has a rainbow right over there. Really, ooh, and a nice rainbow right over here, as you can see. A gorgeous rainbow. A beautiful set. And another rainbow off to the side over here. Great for a collector, like a beginner collector, or if you're just getting into like meditation or your spiritual journey. This is a great set. It's got a little bit of everything. Your clear, your smoky, your rose, and a double terminated wand to hold in your hand. I've also got another set. This one's a little bigger with the clear quartz. Has a gorgeous rainbow right up here. A little rainbow down in the body. One over here as well. Also very beautiful. Natural clear quartz. An amazing smoky with some fabulous rainbows all throughout. Just fabulous rainbows. So this whole thing is a massive rainbow. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on the camera. There we go. A massive rainbow. Really beautiful. A little bit of Lodo light up in the front. But again, it's just full of rainbows. A really dark smoky quartz that is full of rainbows. And a wonderful egg well, no, it's not an egg shape, but it's an ovally type standing flat bottom rose quartz free form. So it'd be great for any room or your sacred space, to give as a gift, a great housewarming gift, or just for any little energy boost in any room. But two sets available, a small 4-piece set and a larger 3-piece set. I'll have everything down below, like the description, in the description, the pricing, the availability, where you can find it on the website or on Etsy. And if you can, please give it a like and subscribe, and also give me a positive, pleasant comment. And thanks for watching.